Hey everybody, I got a whole bunch of messages that y'all want to learn more about inking. So let me teach you about inking. Today I'm going to make a fun towel. Something real simple that you could use for gifts or keep for yourself. It'd be easy peasy lemon breezy. And I'm trying to think on my colors right now, but I'll wait till a couple people get here. Let me go over and share the video. Well, no, I'm not gonna do that. I can't share it from here, I don't think. I don't know. You know what? We're just gonna get started. That's just what we're gonna do. It's a holiday weekend. Y'all are probably at the beach anyways, so it's okay. And I'm here just having fun, doing my thing. So let me go ahead and get started with you guys. I'm going to turn the camera around and we'll get going. Okay, so this is the towel I'm going to be making today. And it's pretty easy. It's just a real simple cotton towel. I put it right down on my Chalk Couture ink pad. This is a 17 by 17 on this. So you could do your pillows, your towels, whatever. This is more of a square towel actually. Maybe more of a decorative towel. I don't know. I'd use it in my kitchen because I like hand towels like this size. But what I'm going to put on it today is the kitchen measurements, and I'll do it this way for you guys so you can see. I think that's just perfect for a perfect gift because here's the deal. You never know what to get some people, and you know, this would be perfect. And it's just cute and all of that. Now my hardest problem always is color, and I really like this currant jam with this peach, and I love this blue with the peach. So I'm thinking I'm going to do that. Of course I could use black, but that's kind of boring, and gray is boring. So I'm thinking I'm going to do a little of each of these, and it'll be cute. So since we're doing this on fabric and this is our first time, we don't, using this transfer, we don't really have to fuzz it like we do normal. So we just go ahead, open it up. And I love this. A lot of people have taken this transfer and put it on the inside of their kitchen cabinet so that they have their conversions right there. I mean, how cute would that be? But I just like this. I'm gonna love this on the towel, I know. So remember, do your Band-Aid roll to get it started. And with this one, we're gonna simply flip it around like this and get it centered. As center as we could get, we could count the little squares actually. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, yeah, I'm right in the middle. That is pretty awesome. And then just bring this down, okay? What? There you go, you got it. Remember, when you put it back, it's gonna be shiny to sticky. And since this is a larger transfer, I'm gonna actually wash this one off in my shower because it works better. And just make sure you rub this one down really good. All right, because we already have it stuck down here to the, trying to see, I got something underneath here. Oh, I know, I bent it. I bent my ink mat. That's why there's a bump there. Yeah, life happens, people. So since we are going ahead and doing this on here, I'm trying to think which colors I want what. You know, I always have this issue. I'm thinking like the measuring spoons and the cup and the pitcher and this, I'm gonna do blue, and the rest, I don't know, should I do these lines blue too? Yeah, and the rest, the currant jam. I think that's what I'll do. So I'm gonna start by doing my blue. And if you were doing this on a chalkboard, remember that the ink dries pretty slow. But on a chalkboard, the paste dries fast. So you would want to go ahead and do a layer, peel it up, let it fall, do a layer, peel it up, let it fall. But since we're using ink, we're good to go. So let's just go ahead and ink this up real quick. And so what are you guys doing for the holiday weekend? We're gonna go to SeaWorld this evening just to do something, and it's gonna be stinking hot. But that's okay. It's supposed to be the hottest week of the year so far, this coming week, so that should be interesting. I'm gonna be at a vintage market day in Georgia. If y'all are around Georgia, come and see us, because we're gonna be there having some fun with our friends. I love vintage market days. They're a lot of fun. Okay, and then I'm gonna do this little guy. Oh, and I want to do my lines here. I would go, if I had my multi-tool, I'd just go whoosh in one big swoop. But I'm not using it right this minute. I got this guy going on. And that's okay. Okay, let's get this done. And what's great about these towels is you can just let it dry on your mat, and then tomorrow peel it off. And then heat press it, and you're permanent. So with our ink, you can use that on so many things. I think you guys have heard me say your materials, you know, any textiles, your t-shirts, your towels, whatever it is that you have that's a textile, your canvas Converse shoes, yeah, those work. And then you can also put it on wine glasses, on any glassware, any metal tins, stuff like that. Then you bake it in the oven to heat set it. So that's kind of cool too, that you can do so much. Mugs, coffee mugs, you can make your coffee mugs and have them all personalized. You could put names on them, whatever it is you want, right? I don't think I want to do quart and pint. I think that's all I want to do. And I'm going to do the rest, the cranberry, because I think that's going to look real pretty. What? Yes. I do crazy things like this, and I love it. I love making, having good times. Now, this one's not open yet, as you can see. So I'm just going to get my little scraper and punch in here so I don't get my hands all icky. There we go. And lift that up. You can also use an X-Acto blade if you want, but really I find that this works. And then just throw that away. Pull that seal off. And that seal is there to help you. So I know some people like to complain about it, but you know what? It's there to help your ink. It's there to keep it nice and fresh for you. So you might get a little messy. It's okay. You will wash. God made you non-biodegradable, you know. It's kind of cool. So we're going to take our ink and a little bit more generous since we're using a little bit more on this part. I like the way this looks. I know I'm going to love the way it looks finished. I've seen one done just in black, and I'm like, well, that's cute, but my kitchen is colorful. I know, imagine that. Mary Jo has a colorful kitchen. My kitchen's yellow. So Abby told me that yellow is a sign of good luck in your kitchen, that you should always have a yellow kitchen. I said I didn't know. I just thought it was happy. So I like happy kitchens. So I did it yellow. Yay. And I'll check out your comments in a little while, but you can give me some hearts. Or remember that if you're watching this video, if you don't mind sharing me around, that would be awesome. And I'm also doing on my VIP Chat and Chalk page, the DIY community, I'm also doing a little contest for anyone who wants to share my page or add people onto my page, obviously with them knowing that they're being added and they want to be there. But to increase and have some more fun and get more people to know about Chalk Couture. Did you guys know we just launched in Canada, which is amazing? And if you're a Canadian out there, I know I have a bunch of Canadians on my VIP group, but if you're a Canadian out there and you want more information, you can always go to www.chatandchalk, chatandchalk chatandchalk.com and go to join, or just go to shop, and you can shop from my website now. It comes right to your door. Yes. Okay, so now's the big reveal, guys. I'm gonna just make sure my fingers, look at that. See, I didn't want to touch. If I would have touched my, make sure you wipe your fingers really well before you go pulling or touching around on your towel. See, I almost made a boo-boo. And ink is not forgiving. So we're gonna pull this off. Oh, this is so stinking cute. Look at that. This is a 5-minute gift, guys. I'm just saying, you could do this. You could whip these puppies out. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? What? Don't you love it? It's a 1, 2, 3 gift. So now you have your kitchen measurements. It's very versatile for every kitchen. Everybody needs a measurement, right? So, what do you think? 1, 2, 3, what? Now I'm gonna let this dry just like this on my mat, okay? Gonna let it dry for a while on my mat. Yeah, there's a heart. Love it. Thanks, Kathy. I'm gonna let it dry on my mat overnight, and then I'm gonna use my heat press or my iron, whatever you have. I have a heat press, a little Cricut press, and I'm just going to press that for 35 seconds, and then it'll be good to go. You can wash it, package it up, make it real pretty in a nice little bag, and give it to your neighbor. Hey, what a great gift that would be for a neighbor to come in, right? I'm just saying. I just think that's a really neat thing. And you can get these towels for, you know, anywhere from $1 to $5 each, and just make some cute little towels and give them away. Okay, guys, you guys have a great holiday weekend. I just wanted to stop in and ink a little with you. Remember, I have to go wash this screen since I'm gonna use a bigger, obviously, basin than my spray bottle, since it's a bigger transfer. But if you have any questions, make sure you ask, and hop into www.chatandchalk.com and check it all out. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.